Hey guys, welcome back to 247 Tech Talk and the first episode of 2026. I wish all of you happy 2026 and a healthy, happy, and prosperous year. And for all of us who are in this crazy social media frenzy, I hope that we all enjoy much success and support each other as we go through this journey. For my first video this year, I'm not in my workshop. No, I'm in my studio, but I had to bring this to you. You guys know that if you look at my channel, there's hundreds of reviews of tech items and gadgets and computer stuff. And then there's quite a few in there with motorcycle, and reverse trike. That's the Can Am Ryker videos. I have 3 bikes in my shop right now, 2 electric and the Can Am Ryker that I'm crazy about. And my DIY senses have been going off, and I've been running out in the cold into my garage, which is my workshop, and I've been modding stuff, and I have so much to show you come spring and when it gets warmer. But I also spend some time in this studio looking at videos and looking at who's doing something that I haven't seen before. And what do I come across in my crazy head looking for crazy ideas? This guy back here, Madman Wrenchworks, and the gentleman behind this is Ludwig Cruz, an amazing person. What an amazingly creative person. What an amazing personality. And so I saw his vision of what he's doing. He's just starting out, and I decided I was going to purchase it right away. Little did I know when I jumped on just seeing the vision and wanting it for myself that I would be his first customer. So I'm going to do this in a little bit of reverse. I'm going to show you a few of the things he sent me, and I'm going to open them in front of you for the first time. I haven't actually seen them. I refused to open them until I did this video. So here we go. These are called canards, and basically they go on the front. They screw into the front of your Ryker, the front fender, and line up with your intake. What they do is make your Ryker more aerodynamic and allow, not only allow, but kind of guide the maximum amount of airflow into your intake. So let's open it up. It comes nicely packaged in this nice protective wrap with his stickers on it, the Madman Wrenchworks stickers. I'm going to open it up in front of you for the first time. I'm going to rip it a little bit, right? Because it's just, I can't be that careful. So here we go. And what I asked for was black with a red interior. And it's these materials. I forgot the name of it, but don't get me wrong. This is very, very strong. This stuff is like metal. It's got flexibility, but yet it's very strong. It's not going to crack and break or wear in the weather. And as you can see, it says Madman here. On his logo, and the way this is designed, it screws into your fender at the side and guides the ear up to the intake. And in order for you to bolt it in, he provides a template. So you use this template to line it up on your bike first, make sure it's exactly where it's supposed to be on the bike, and then you would make the holes and screw it into your fender. He provided hardware they're called intake canards, and he provides these very nice screws with washers that will look very nice and very flat and very professional on your bike. So I got 2 canards, left and right. Let me hold them up so you can see how they would, these 2 canards. There's only a logo on one side. He didn't logo both sides, so one side will have the logo, one side doesn't. It's flat. Design choice, I kind of like it. You can get them in black and white, black, red, and black. There's a bunch of options on his website, madmanwrenchworks.com. Let me get that right. madmanwrenchworks.com. Yes, I have it up behind me. You might not be able to see that, but these are called canards. Okay, and as I put these aside, I can tell you that he's going to have more coming out. Brush metal. He does have the polycarbonate transparent that he will have in various colors. They're in production. He's doing his his R&D to make sure that they work for us. This is someone who I've spoken with, Ludwig Cruz. He is a sensational person, amazingly creative. I can't imagine what he's going to come up with next. I understand that the products I'm showing you today, these are not his only products. You go to his website, there's merch, shirts and things for helmets and a host of other merchandise and parts for bikes that he's working on every single day. By trade, in his normal work, he does fabrication for one of the major auto companies. So this is what he's been doing. This is what he's great at. And he's kind of like me, thinking outside the box and coming up with things that not only make your bike nicer, safer, more fun to ride, more stable to ride, but also make them look crazy off the hook. So I'm going to put these in the bolts aside for this and show you the next thing he sent me. And this again is in the plastic. And I'm going to take it out. This is called a splitter. Here it is again in his wrap. And he's taking the time to even get the wrap to match his style, to match his design. And this is called a splitter. And this is a front end splitter. Now, this here, let me get it centered for you, has his logo on the front. I matched the canards and I got the red and black, but again, they're available in other colors. And where your front fender bolts underneath your Ryker, this bolts into it. You can see the holes here. Now, the reason that you see two sets of holes is because you can put this to stick out at two different distances, 2 inches or 4 inches. It's basically a front spoiler, front bottom spoiler. And the way he designed it, right, it will allow the ear, and let me show you the whole shape and the whole concept of this. And there are two different ones, right? So this is not the only design. You go to madmanwrenchworks.com, you'll see the other designs. But what it allows to do is allows the ear, right, to as a spoiler, to come up above and not pick your bike up when you go too fast. Now, even though I'm not a fast rider anymore, though my days of that are kind of over, I ride at a good clip. And, sometimes you're riding on the highway, especially in New York, and maybe you hit a dip in the highway and then you come up and this wind gets under you and it feels like it wants to pick your bike up. This spoiler is created to divert the air so that your bike sits properly. It is beautifully designed. It feels so durable. He's got his logo right here in the front, as you can see. I can't wait to get these on the bike. My only regret is that I can't do so until it gets warm. Now, the reason he designed, like I said, the holes is you have the ability to make it stick out 4 inches out the front or 2 inches out the front. And if it sticks out 4 inches out the front, he has a design with some, I would call them struts that connect to the front of top of your fender to make sure that if you chose to have it stick out further, that this is still stable. So you guys have to check it out. Madman Wrench Works. It's amazing. Now, I want to tell you something else. Well, let me show you this real quick. He does include the screws and the bolts for the front end splitter as well. Okay, so the hardware is all included. But I want to read to you, me being his first customer, me being crazy enough to see his vision and buy into it. He sent me a letter. Look at this. Someone who takes the time to do this. It says, "Hello, Julian. I just wanted to personally say thank you for your order. This isn't just another sale for me. You are officially my very first Madman Wrench Works customer, and that means more than I can put into words. I've poured a lot of time, energy, and heart into building this brand and these products, and knowing that you chose to trust me with your ride truly means a lot. I hope to feel that same passion when you unbox, or I hope you feel that same passion when you unbox everything and bolt it onto your Ryker." Now, let me grab what it's on. It says, "As a small token of my appreciation," pun fully intended, "I'm including a Madman silver token in your package," which is this. Haven't opened it yet. "You're the first rider to ever receive one, and I wanted you to have it as a thank you for being there at the very beginning of this journey. I am genuinely excited packing this order for you and can't wait for you to see it in person. I hope that this is the start of many more rides, mods, and ideas we share together. Thank you again for believing in what I'm building. With deep appreciation, Ludwin the Madman. And what's beautiful about it is Ludwin the Madman happened to have the first customer in me, Julian, just like the Madman. So I think that you gotta stay tuned because I'm pretty sure we're gonna collaborate and bring you some crazy stuff for your Ryker and beyond. Ryker is 3 wheels. We might move over to 2 wheels. I've had a lot of chats with Ludwin, and there's a lot of room out there to do crazy mods in the Ryker community and beyond that make riding safe, enjoyable, and just straight out wild fun. Now, before I open this, I want to read to you what the idea of what the token is. Okay? The token is an exclusive, creator-driven loyalty system for the motorcycle community, where only 6 riders per year earn non-purchasable collector-grade tokens. 2 silver, 2 gold, and 2 platinum will be issued per year, based on product support and high-effort creative content rather than just purchases. Tokens are redesigned annually and never reproduced, with points accumulated through buying Madman products and sharing increasingly sophisticated social content, while quarterly leaderboards highlight top contributors and community leaders. Riders can only progress upwards through tiers over time, and token holders receive escalating lifetime benefits such as discounts, early product access, special merch, creative sessions, and VIP access to experimental products, emphasizing status, recognition, and long-term community legacy under the tagline, create, share, earn the rare. So, without going any further or delaying any more, this has been like, 12 and a half minutes already. Let's open the token, which is the last reveal of this video, this first video of 2026. Well wrapped again, maybe too well wrapped. I wanted to do this quick boom reveal, but he's made sure that it is well protected. Oh boy, I don't know if I don't want to show you this. It's so gorgeous. Woo, Madman. It's got a serial number. Look at that. That is the silver token. Try to get close to the camera so you see it. This is the first token from Madman Wrenchworks ever issued, and I am honored to Ludwin Cruz and Madman Wrenchworks not only for rewarding me as the first customer with this and this amazing leather, which I will frame and I will put in my studio here as the beginning of what I think is a beautiful friendship and a beautiful collaboration. Madman Wrenchworks. This guy is a creative genius. You can even shoot him your ideas. He's going to make a difference in your ride, in your future, and he will be around for a long time to come. So stay tuned. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Go to both Madman Wrenchworks and make sure 247 Tech Talk that you get all the notifications. Click that bell because there's so much to come for 2026. We're going to blow your mind. Until the next video, 247 Tech Talk, out.